and welcome to my channel Learn with Upasna. Today I will cover the topic of class 7 in this video. Today's topics are types of network architecture, network security. First is types of network. First one is local area network LAN, metropolitan area network MAN, wide area network WAN, and personal area network PAN. First is local area network. Local area network is a collection of devices connected together in one physical location such as building, offices or home. In this picture, there is a small office where the network is connected with LAN, local area network. A LAN can be a small or large, ranging from home network with one user to an enterprise network with thousands of users and devices in an office or schools or buildings. Now, the example of LAN. In an office with multiple departments are there like accounting department, IT support department, administration department. Each department contain the computer systems and all the department are connected logically in local area network. In the given picture, there are 4 systems and they all are connected with the help of server, and there is a LAN, local area network are used because it is a small, you can say small area. Metropolitan area network. It is a larger network than LAN. It is spread across the city. MAN is used primarily in the cities. It is a computer network that connects number of LANs. Look at the diagram. There is a hospital, schools, colleges or factory in a city and they all are connected in a network with the help of MAN. Now come to the example of MAN. Cable TV is the best example of MAN. Telephone company network that can provide a high speed DSL line to the customer or cable TV network in a city is the best example of the MAN. Wide area network. This type of network connected two or more computers located at far away place and they are connected by telecommunication or satellite signals. Look at the diagram. This is a LAN which are connected in a small areas. Like you can suppose this is the cities. The first city is there, second city is there, third city and the fourth city. These all 4 cities are connected in a network with the help of WAN, wide area network. The example of WAN. The best example of WANs are internet connection in a large multinational company. Internet itself is the best example of WAN. Next is the ATM facility. Next is a multinational bank customer services. Now next is personal area network. PAN. PAN provides a network range within a person's range, typically in the range of 10 meters. It is very useful in home, offices or small network. PAN is relatively very flexible and it provides the high efficiency for short network range. When a person connects his smartphone to the Bluetooth headphone and move in the market, that refers to a body area network. In this, multiple devices are connected through the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. There are 2 types of PAN is there. One is wireless, another one is wired. In wireless, all the devices like keyboard, laptop, mobile, PDA, printer is connected with the help of Bluetooth in a computer system. Another one is the wired. In this wired system, these 2 desktop and 2 laptop are connected with the help of base station, like we have learned in the previous video about the hub or switches which is act as a receiver or transmitter. Same way base station is there, but the base station consists only low power transmitter and these all are connected with the printer with the help of base station. Now, next is the network architecture. Computer network architecture is defined as the physical, logical design or software, hardware, protocol and other media transmission of data. In simply word, we can say that how computer are organized and how tasks are allocated to the computer. And according to category, there are two types of network architecture. One is peer-to-peer, another one is client-server. Peer-to-peer architecture. This type of network used few computers having equal capacities and capabilities. In this type of network, all the computer system in a network have same authority and they are connected together to use the resources available on the network. There is no central server. Each computer acts as a server as well as a client. Now, client-server architecture. Client-server architecture is a computer network in which many request and receive service from the server. There is a client and there is a server. Client send the request to the server and server give response to the client. Server itself have a database or a backup file, and server has powerful central processor, more memory and large disk drives than the client. Network security. Network security means protecting your data, your important information, files or resources from access by the unauthorized person. Example, people outside the company, like you are working in a multinational company and the people outside the company can maybe try to access your confidential, your important data. So there are two general levels in network security. First one is the login security. In this, there is a unique login name or the password. With the help of this, only you can or other can access to the particular data. Next is the write security. You are given write access like read only access, read write access or no access at all. So this much is there in this video. If you like my video, please like it or subscribe my channel.